Hello everyone. I just wanted to do a quick review of Lauren Hardy's course. I found the entire course very helpful, very thorough from start to finish. A lot of documentation is provided. I started the course in January 2021 and I closed my first deal in May 2021. So I love the fact that you can call in every Thursday and ask Lauren herself any specific questions that you might have, and it's also very helpful when other students ask questions as well, because sometimes they may ask something that you didn't really think of and you get certain nuggets of information. She's very one-on-one with everybody, so that's probably my favorite part, is that you can talk to her directly, get different insight from her and from other students as well in different markets. So overall, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. It's been great, and I'm still continuing to learn in it as well, by having that group call every Thursday. So I'm excited to see how my business excels from here.